Hey all, I'm back. I apologise for being away for so long, but I have just been super busy making customers' orders and some new items for my website. I've opened my Christmas page, so I'll leave all the descriptions that you can check out in the description box below. But today I am making a brand new item for my website, and I thought let's record a video for YouTube. So I'm starting off by pouring some clear resin with some gold foil flakes, just very gently and carefully around the base. I don't want to fill it right up. It's going to be a business card holder. I should have said that straight out, but yeah, so the first part is the clear with the gold foil, and just, I mean, it's a bit tricky because it's a deep-ish mould. So I have a few accidents that I need to clean up. So just give that a tap to try and get any bubbles to release. And then I'm just going to use my lolly stick just to poke those bits of gold foil down the edge. And then also use the lolly stick to go right the way round to shift any of those pesky little bubbles that might be hiding, like so. And then I'm going to give it a spritz with some isopropyl alcohol. The main reason for the double lots of spritzing is to help go down the edges and pop any bubbles, but also so I can get a cotton pad and clean up any of the clear resin that is on this part of the mould, because I do want it there. So I'm going to let this sit for a couple of hours, just so it's just set, so I can do the next layer and it won't affect that bit. So here we go. So this is for the next part now. So I have a pink and white. I have more pink than I do white. And what I'm going to be doing, I've tried this before and it's fouled, so I wanted to try it again. So keeping that cup at an angle, I'm tipping a bit of the pink and then the white and then the pink and then the white, and then carry on going to try and get a somewhat marble effect. And like I said, I have tried this before and it failed miserably, but I wanted to try it again and I thought, why not? So I'm not sure if I've mixed up enough resin. Could have done with making a bit more white to the pink, but then that's just trial and error, and that was just, you know, me. So one final bit of white, like so. Last little bit of pink. And then what I'm going to do is very carefully, without sloshing it round, in a circular motion, you can see me going round and round and round, just pour, and you can see the colours come out, and yay, it worked! This is the first time I have got this technique to work, and I apologise for my hand covering, but you can see there. And yes, I didn't pour enough in the cup, so we're gonna, with the little bits that we've got left, like I said, I should have made more white, but just finish that off so I can fill this mould up and let it set, because now this has worked, I'm excited to take it out and have a look. So I don't think I'm going to get much more out of the white there. So again, I'm just going in that same circular motion so as not to destroy the pattern that's already been made, and it will flow into those gaps and close them up. Still need a little bit more, so here is, we get to then scrape it out, and we'll see if we can get some more out of the white. Might be able to get a tiny bit, and as you can see, just in dots, but I'm just spotting that over. And then because I know I had some pink left, I'm going to tip that over them spots so they don't stand out like a sore thumb. So yeah, I could have, if I'd have tipped it all in one go, I could have averted having to have done that, but there we go. So now I'm going to, as you can see, give that a bang to shift any of those pesky bubbles again up to the top, and then watch when I spritz with isopropyl alcohol. Watch those pink, can you just, I don't know if you can see that, but look at them merging together and just dancing. So I'm going to leave this overnight to dry and then come back and take it out the mold. Okay, I'm back and it is all dry. I'm super excited. So let's take off this wooden frame. That's to help it hold its shape because the sides of the mold are a bit floppy. You can see mine's a bit squished anyway, but that's the bottom of the mold. So let's just flip these edges over and they flip back. Come on. Yes. Nope. Right, let's go. Mean business this time. There we go. And that end. And then pull it away from all of the four corners. And then very carefully pull that out of the bottom. Out you come. Pop. And there we have it. Look at that. Is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to move that mould out of the way and get it back in shape. But now look at this. That gold with the clear against the white and pink marble is absolutely stunning. So anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.